Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. The next repair is a 32-inch Devant LED TV, model 32MEL450, not turning on and no standby light indicator. I will show you how to fix it. If you're interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. The TV has no power and no standby light indicator, so let's measure voltages on the main power supply board. We will measure the voltages at the positive terminals of the filter electrolytic capacitors in the secondary area of the power supply. .0 volts and 28 volts are present voltages. It means the primary power circuit is no problem. Looks like we don't have a problem with the main power supply. Let's go to the main board and measure the voltages. The EEPROM chip has a voltage even when the TV is in standby mode. The VCC voltage is 3.3 volts. Pin 8 is the VCC of the chip. So let's measure the voltage there. No voltage is present on the VCC pin 8 and all the rest of the pins. Looks like the main board has a missing voltage. Let's check for any shorted rail lines that may cause the missing voltages. No shorts have been detected on the rail lines. This DC to DC converter has no voltage output, but there is a 12 volts input. The output is connected to the input of the 3.3 volts linear voltage regulator, and the 3.3 volts output feeds the VCC of the EEPROM chip. So this DC to DC converter is the problem. The chip of the DC to DC may be defective. I don't have that kind of chip, so we will replace it with a DC to DC module. So we need to remove the induction coil and the chip. This is a DC to DC module we will use. It has a 2 ampere with a voltage range of 3 to 25 volts input. Let's solder wires to the input, ground, and output. This line is the 12-volt supply. Let's scrape the coating so we can solder the positive input of the DC to DC module. We will use this as the negative or ground, connecting to the negative of the DC to DC module. We will not yet connect the output because the DC to DC module it is not yet set to 5 volts. 5 volts is the input requirement of the linear 3.3 volts regulator, and 5 volts is one of the standard voltage use in a TV main board. Now let's solder the output to this induction coil solder pad, which is also the output of the original DC to DC converter. Now plug in the TV and measure the voltage of the DC to DC module output and the 3.3 volts linear voltage regulator. The voltage is 5.0 volts, and the linear voltage regulator is 3.3 volts. Also, the EEPROM VCC has 3.3 volts now. We have a standby light indicator now. Let's try to turn on the TV. It's turning on now. Let's secure the DC to DC module with double-sided tape.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tevz. See you again next time. Bye for now.